Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video guys we're going to be making another meal that costs only $1 to make. Okay, so the star of this meal is going to be Grace Mackerel. It says classic brand in hot tomato sauce. So this is Grace Mackerel in hot tomato sauce, and this is what we're going to be eating. And we're going to be using white onion, green onion or scallion, a clove of garlic, Kirkland brand of crushed red pepper, and Kirkland brand of black pepper. So let's just get started. Okay, easy breezy breakfast that's going to cost less than $1 to make, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. Let's get started. We're going to be starting by cutting the white onion in small pieces. So we're going to basically chop it up in small pieces. My garlic, just one clove of garlic you need. You don't need too many things for this meal. We're only using maybe 6 ingredients for this meal, so it's pretty easy. So just like the onion, we're going to cut the garlic in small pieces as well. Okay, so I'm going to also put that in the bowl. And the green onion or the scallion, we're just going to do it the same as we did with the garlic and the white onion. We're just going to cut the green onion in small pieces as well. Okay, so we're basically done here. Okay, my friends, I'm back. Okay, so now I'm going to be frying up the fish, the mackerel, into a wok. This wok I just finished using, so I just want to continue using the same pot instead of getting another one. Okay, so I've added about a tablespoon of oil that was already in the pot from this morning's part of this morning's breakfast. So the onions and the garlic and the green onion that we just chopped up, I'm going to add it to the pot. I hope you can see this, how beautiful this looks. I like the smell of onion and garlic and just seasoning being cooked in oil. It has a wonderful fragrance. I'm just adding my black pepper, my Kirkland brand of black pepper. And this meal, guys, is only going to take maybe 5 minutes to cook. I'm also going to add Kirkland brand of crushed red pepper. And as I said, you can add as much pepper as you want or how little you want. Okay? So the star of our show again is Grace Mackerel in hot tomato sauce. We don't want the onions to brown, so I'm just going to move it away from the pot until I'm just going to move it away from the fire until I opened the mackerel. So I'm back, my friends. The mackerel is open, so I'm just going to add it into my onions. And I'm using 2 cans only because I'm preparing breakfast for my family, 4 people. And I'm just going to spin this around. And this is how the fish looks in tomato sauce. It's really tasty. It's an easy meal, as I said. And the fish is already cooked, guys. It's mackerel. The fish is already cooked. So basically you're just heating things through. In the middle of the fish, my friend, there is a bone. and I like to take out the bone. I don't like to leave the bone in, so you can do the same, or you can leave the bone. The bone is quite it's quite soft, so you won't risk choking on it. You can chew it up if you want to, but this inside, this bone, I don't like this bone inside of my mackerel, so I usually just take it out and throw it away. So this meal is basically done. I'm just going to let it heat through for a little bit longer, maybe another half a minute, and then I'll plate it. I hope you like fish. You know, as I said, it's an easy meal, less than $1 to make. The mackerel, the fish, when it's on sale, it only costs you about 50 cents. When it's not on sale, it's around 75 cents. So it's just easy thing. So this is it. I'm going to turn off the stove. And our meal is basically done. Look how wonderful that looks. Nice and red. Wonderful, simple meal. I turned off the stove. I'm going to plate this meal and show you. Okay? Hold tight. Okay, my friends, there it is. Our mackerel is all ready. It's been plated. There it is, nice mackerel. And I've paired it with some fry bake. This is not your typical fry bake, but my version of fry bake. And the mackerel. So this is my breakfast. Costs less than $1 to make, and it's absolutely yummy. If you like fish, this is a great meal. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better.